think I gotta keep some momentum. That rear is getting light already. Just try not to stop. Yeah, dang. Hey guys, out here, Sunday run. I'll try to do a no-touch run up and all around this rock. It's about 30 degrees, Saturday morning. It's cold, the rocks are freezing. I think it rained the night before, but not wet. Got a nice little climb, there's nothing. We'll do a little side hill. Nice and slow. Cut all the way in now. Nice and slow, let the tire hook. There we go, we settle down. I'm using 50 weight in the front for oil and 2000 weight Pitbull silicone dip oil in the rear. So that's like 200 weight shock oil in the rear. So the suspension, you know, you got to give it time to react, especially in this weather. So now we're going to come up. Shoot right up this one. There we go. Now we'll hook the tire on the top and it should hold us. Come down. I think we could come down this way. Yeah, we'll come down this way. This is like another really tricky area. I'll show you why in a second. This is just this big rock. You gotta have a low truck to clear it. And I don't think I'm gonna clear it. But this is something you gotta hook. Otherwise, you know, look how steep that is. So let's get close, try to pay as much attention as we can here. Let me hook it. Nope. Try that one more time. No cuts here. One more time. If it doesn't work, we'll just move it on to the next obstacle. This is a tricky one. That's the trick. You gotta really squish down that body as much as you can. It's a body dent for sure. Really jagged rocks here. Come down this rock. This is I'm gonna have to power out of this. Wait till the last second to power out. Ah, battery. leave it. Now let's try to make it back up. This is another tricky one. As you can see, we're gonna go back up this side. So coming back up, I think we gotta hook the rock and then keep that tire, front tire, in as much as you can. And then start hooking. Oh, this one doesn't want to hook. Let's cut it now. And that was a nice little side hill. We'll come up this way. This is going to be another fun one. Okay, we're going to have to give us some throttle here. Nope. Oh, yeah. Alright. Baby. Oh, this is going to be a trick one. I don't think I'm making this. Definitely not making this. Damn, I had to squeeze that one through. Alright, you know what? Let's go up. Let's play with some side hills. Really, just trying to really balance the car. Yeah, we could all build something that goes straight up, but it most likely won't go down, won't side hill. The name of the game is balance. I'm gonna come down this way. I'll probably tip over here.
Literally shit. That's pretty cool.
Thank you, thank you. We got a light over here. I'd be surprised if it doesn't. And I'm surprised. Oh, see that tire getting light? I don't know how much longer it's gonna hold on. Let's go down. That rear is really light. Not too shabby. Try to come up this way. Let's try to complete it by coming down the same way we went up. If I could go down, It's a keeper. We gotta position ourselves a certain way. We don't want to come down all crazy. Now if I could come down this the same way I went up, that's how you know it's balanced. It's gonna be tricky. I think I gotta keep some momentum. That rear is getting light already. Just try not to stop. That's not balanced. I don't know what it is. I went up and down that. Alright, let's come down. Let's go up this way. Very predictable. It's another little fun line. There we go. Just gotta get this against the hook. Actually, we should have went the other way. You know what? Let's go back down. I know another fun line to try. Leaves. You gotta come up and cross to the left. You gotta do a midway though. So now we turn in. Just gotta. This is a slow one. Let the truck work. Everything is slow movements. Anything fast, it would switch the car out. And that was the battery on the car. 650 milliamp. Died. I think I had about 45 minutes of runtime to get in the park and stuff. But I'm going to be doing a lot more of these type of videos. Just line after line after line. One big take. And hope you guys enjoyed it. Till next time. See you guys later.